Hey everyone, in this quick iPhone video, I want to show you how to record voice for really any reason using your iPhone. And there's an app that comes to do exactly that with your phone, so I'll show you what that is. Then there are some third-party apps. I have a really favorite one that I'll show you because it transcribes as you talk. It's really easy to use. And then if you want more advanced options for audio quality, I'll show you an option for that as well. Let's jump in. So the app that comes with your phone is called Voice Memos. So I just opened up the App Store and searched for it because sometimes some people actually delete this app. It's one of those apps you could delete. So you'll need to re-download it if you don't have it and open it up. Now, if you already have it, you could just slide down here and then type Voice Memos and find it in your search and open it up. Now, typically, what I like to do here is I like to create a folder. So if you've never used it before, you'll just see nothing here. But on the bottom, there's a folder option. Press that and then name your folder for whatever this is. Notes for yourself, maybe. Notes for me. Press save and it creates a folder. And now if you go into a folder, so I'll go to my YouTube videos folder here, I could go ahead and tap the record button on the bottom and record my voice memo. Now, if you're recording voiceover like this too, that's okay because you could actually send this from this app to a computer or via email too. So I'll go ahead and press record just to start a recording and it will just name the recording, new recording and a number. And you see it's recording and you see those kind of audio waveforms. I'll just pause it for a second. Now for the best audio quality, the microphone is actually down here. So you kind of want to hold the phone like this as you speak to it as close as you can to drown out any background noise and to get you the best possible quality. To step up the audio quality a little bit further than that, I recommend one of these options. These are called lavalier mics, but this is pretty inexpensive. For about $30, $40, you could get one of these. And this one has a lightning connection. So it's not the little 1/8 inch connection. This is lightning, so the same thing that charges your phone goes into it. Then when you open up the Voice Memos app, it's going to record from here. What's nice about this is you could pretty much get this close. If you're on camera, for example, this is much better than doing it with your phone like this. And it just has better sound quality generally because it drowns out a little bit more noise because it's so close to you. And it has this wind filter too. So I recommend this as a little bit of an upgrade. So I'll put a link to the one I like in the description below this video. Now with the voice recording here, you could always press play. You could always go ahead and dump it in the garbage can. The 3 dots here has an option for editing the recording. And this is really useful because you could simply just edit a section here that you didn't like, or you see on the bottom as I go through it, let's say I wanted to start replacing whatever I said from this point forward. I could press replace and just like this, it's gonna actually replace what I said and the rest of it remains the same. So this is a quick way to kind of pick up a part. But if you wanted to edit, there's this edit icon on the top right, press that. And as you could see on the bottom, you could trim the beginning or the end. This is a trim option that's really useful. So if I wanted to basically just take out that beginning sentence and start from here, I just have to slide that over, press trim, and it creates a new section for me, and I could press save on top. Okay, so that's useful. And there's an enhance option to enhance the audio quality on the left side. When you're done, press done here and you're back to this point. Now, anytime you could start a new recording by pressing the record option or move this to trash and just start from square one. Now, if you're happy with your recording, press the 3 dots here and you basically want to share it because a lot of times you want to edit that recording. And with sharing, if you have a Mac, you could airdrop it to your Mac if you want to edit it outside of this. Or you could just send it as a text message or an email, for example, too. And you could save it to Dropbox if you use a service like that. Now, that's the basics of using the Voice Memos app. But let me show you this a little bit more of an advanced app that transcribes live for you, too. This app is called Otter. So you could record voice notes with this and it'll transcribe it. Let me show you how it works here. You could simply press the microphone option here just on the home page. And as I'm recording or as I'm talking here, everything I say is going to get transcribed and it's going to get recorded. So you kind of get 2 of them at the same time. And if I press pause here and select that conversation, you could see that it transcribed it for me. Again, I could press play and I could jump around here and I could press the 3 dots on top here and export. So if I press export, I could export the audio or the text only. So this is really, really useful because you get both transcript and the audio recording in the same quality. You could still use that microphone I showed you at the lavalier. You could use the mic that's built into your camera. All the stuff is the same, but you could see you get more options out of this thing you do with the Voice Memos app. Now, if you're looking for more editing option than what you could get with these apps, Adobe Audition is the standard audio recording app for professional audio recording. So I'll cover that in a different video, but Adobe Audition is a paid service from Adobe, and you could get it on your computer if you're using this recording for more professional reasons or you want to really spice it up. Now, for regular audio recording, I have a ton of other videos about that. I have ones that cover all kinds of mics that I use, like the one I use here or the one for my voiceover recording. I don't typically use my phone anymore, but it's a great option actually nowadays for getting started with audio recording or just simple voice memos. Thanks so much for watching this video. All the resources are in the description below as usual, and I hope to catch you next time.